This is Immigration Attorney Peter Loblack, and this is an update on a new immigration policy that has taken effect recently. And that policy is the emphasis on placing any individuals who are subject to removal in removal proceedings. And the individuals that are generally subject to removal are those who enter the United States without inspection, those who have overstayed in the United States, those who have removal orders, those who have committed any fraud or misrepresentation, individuals who were inadmissible into the country at the time of admission or entry. You have individuals applying to adjust their status, and that's a normal process for individuals who have current immigrant visas available in the United States. Once there's a denial of your application to adjust your status, you will be placed in removal because generally you may have overstayed, or you have one or two other factors that would subject you to removal. If you apply for a waiver and your waiver is denied, you will be placed in removal. Similarly, if you apply for an extension of stay and by the time the extension comes, you have already overstayed, you are likely to be placed in removal. If, however, you are placed in removal, it is not the end of it. You may still have a basis to adjust your status, and you could still apply to adjust your status before the immigration court. They just make it a little more difficult, and if the immigration judge denies your application to adjust your status, you will be ordered removed. You have an appeal, and a process in the appellate system that you could use to continue to extend your stay or to remain in the United States until a final decision is made. Generally, anyone who applied to remove their condition and that application is denied, they will also be placed in removal proceeding. This is Immigration Attorney Peter Loblack. It is important to understand, though, that it is key now to get proper advice before you file any immigration application. It is not a time to rely on individuals who are friends, family, non-lawyers. You need experienced help because a denial of your application will result in removal proceedings. That's the last place you want to be, except if you know beforehand there is a basis for you to get relief before the immigration judge. This is Immigration Attorney Peter Loblack. You could call my office. It is 407-295-0099. We'd be happy to answer your immigration questions. You could always reach us on the web at loblacklaw.com.